Guess what? It's the year 2020. Happy New Year. Let's get started. I still can't believe it's the year 2020. Doesn't it feel like yesterday that we were just preparing for Y2K? I'm going to be asking you 3 different questions throughout this episode, and if you answer all 3 questions in the comments below, then you're going to be entered into my very first giveaway for 2020. With it being January, this is the time of year when people like to make goals and set a new direction for themselves and feel like they can start over for the year. Well, here we are a couple weeks into January, and I have not set any goals for myself or for my channel. And with it being the year 2020, I feel like I need to set some goals that can really push myself and make me want to be a better person and improve, because I'm not getting any younger. And that giveaway is a $100 Amazon gift card. So make sure you enter. What are you eating?
Cake.
You having cake for breakfast?
Mm-hmm.
So why do we even set goals? Well, goals are what give us long-term vision with short-term motivation. They help us to organize our time and our resources so that we can get the most out of our life. So, question number 1 for you is, what is your goal in 2020, and what are you going to do to accomplish that goal? I have not been very good at setting goals in my life, and it's probably because I have lack of motivation. There's no risk involved. I haven't ever really told people my goals, and so nothing's being, no one's holding me accountable, and I'm probably just not setting the best goals for myself. So last year I wanted to rebrand my logo and create a website. So I'm happy to say that I did the rebranding, and now I have a website that's up and running. So that makes me feel good. But there's also some other things that I would like to accomplish this year in 2020. Now Henry's awake, so let's go up and get him out of his bed. Henry, are you awake?
Hi, Grandma.
All the sheets on your bed?
Yes.
Why did you do that? Huh? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Yes. Good morning. So one thing that I want to improve for my channel and for myself is I want to be better with the camera, because I had never really used a camera before in my life until I started this YouTube channel, outside of picking it up and putting it in auto. And the way I'm going to do that is practice. Just like anything in life, if I don't practice, I'm never going to get better. Now moving on to question number 2 for the giveaway, I want to ask you, in the year 2020, what is one thing that you want to improve with your cooking skills? Is it you want to be better at meal planning? Is it you want to eat healthier? Do you want to be better with your knife skills? Do you actually want to cook meals for your family and sit around the dinner table? Whatever it is, let me know for question number 2. Now for goal number 2, I want to create and launch at least 2 products this year that I can sell on my channel and on my website. I've already created a couple of ideas and written them down, but now the hard part is getting them to market. My third goal for this year is to get 1,500 subscribers on my channel. I currently have almost 900, and I've been doing this channel for 18 months. So do you think it's possible I can get 600 in the next year? Well, you can make it possible for me if you're not subscribed to my channel. Make sure you please subscribe so that together we can strengthen our families, one meal at a time. Did you swipe my banana? That was my banana.
Banana.
That was mine. I opened it for me.
Banana.
Do you like bananas? Yeah. Hey. So, question number 3 for you. If you could give me any advice on how to improve this channel so that you would want to watch it, what would that be? Do you want to see more cooking? Do you want to see more vlogging? Do you want to see more of my family? Or all of the above? Let me know. This is question number 3. Hey, you want to come with me to go get the kids from school? And then we can have an orange, okay?
Okay.
Let's go get in the car. Do you want to go to school? No? Do you like school? No. Do you want to go to school next year? No? Well, I know I have a lot of work cut out for me this next year, and I'm actually really excited because I've written my goals down and I've told you guys my goals so you guys can hold me accountable, and I look forward to the growth and the changes that are in store for me this coming year. Hi, Bug!
Glad her name was Nada.
Hi!
Sleeping.
How was school?
Good.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Hi.
I do. At home.
Hi, dude!
Hi. And look, I got the same water
Got
bottle.
another one?
Look, Mary.
How was school today?
Good.
Yeah? What was your favorite part?
That we learned time. Time, not times. Time.
Like how to tell what time it is?
Yeah, I'll prove it.
Putting my channel goals aside, the most important goal that I want to set for myself this year is spending more quality time with my family. My kids are only going to be little for such a short period of time that I don't want to miss out on their childhood. I want to create more fun memories with them and take more pictures and build more forts and, you know, eat more food and play and go to the park and do all the things that you do with your kids while they're young. So yeah, this year in 2020, whatever happens, I want to make sure that I am building better relationships with each one of my kids. Hello, Pop. Mommy. You're a good boy. Hey.